I am really happy with my spoiler. Hi guys, welcome back to another video from kentcarmedia. We had the pleasure this weekend of attending Birmingham, lovely place, and we picked up some lovely new goodies for the Civic Type R. So, we got a Fugen grill, because it's not real Mugen, and we also got a Fugen rear wing.
Very naughty.
So today we are going to be fitting these parts, and I've got some wind deflectors for scene points which we'll also be fitting, so we thought we'd take you along for the ride.
So I used a trim removal tool to pop this trim off. Does sound pretty horrific.
Oh God.
And there we go.
Whoa! You're buying me a new piece of trim.
So 4 10mm bolts, and hopefully the wing should fall off onto the roof of Olly's car.
I hope not.
You might want to go hold it, mate. So also found there's 10mm bolt up here and one down here, I think.
Yeah.
Down there. And the same on the other side. Here and here. So we'll get those off, and then hopefully the wing will come off.
Why should it say pressed? You're working on the best car on the channel.
Wait, you've got the only EP3 in the world that might be rusted, yeah, then why mix fine. Wire, just pulled it out from this hole, and then that should, I think this bit comes off with the spoiler, so
Moment of truth.
oh my god,
I hate that noise. We're
There
off.
she goes.
we go forward. Ollie, go forward, Rob, go back.
So we've got the old spoiler off. We're gonna fit the new spoiler now. So I'm gonna line it up, and Rob's gonna take one of the bolts that was lovingly supplied with the spoiler and look at that, perfect fitment. I'm not really doing anything at this point. I'm just literally, I've got 2 fingers on it and that's it. So what we're doing is we're reusing the side bolts to attach the sides of the wings, and we're using the freshly supplied 10mm for the centre bolts. They are going in very slowly, but they are going in. So the spoiler is fitted now. I was going to link everything we bought in the description, but the spoiler fitment is not the best, so I don't want people to buy off my recommendation when it's not actually that good.
There's a bit of a gap here. This isn't great. Yeah, it came with a screw that's cross-threaded, which is lovely. Another gap here. And of course some paint imperfections. Yeah, spotting.
I'm going to buy an expensive one next. Saying that, this cost me £250.
Painted.
Painted, which, if it was good, I would say that's a bargain, but now looking back at it, I realise that maybe the bargain was too good to be true.
Yeah, maybe.
But, on to the next bits.
Let's fit the grill made by the same company.
Yay! So now we are fitting the front Fugen grill. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by removing these clips holding the original grill in, and hopefully the new one will fit better than the spoiler.
Probably not. So Ollie's off having another bit, or a BF as he just referred to it. So there's some clips under here, I don't know if you can see them down. Well, no, they're right under down the back of this, right down here. So I'm going to pop them out. from the top, so I cannot be bothered to take the bumper off. There's one. So it looks like it just sort of then slides off the front, hopefully. He says. As easy as that.
So this is the new Fugen grill that's going in. It's got clips at the top to meet up to the original clip holes, but on the bottom there's no fastening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use double-sided tape to just go along here, and that will secure it down to the front of the bumper.
So we stuck it down, there's a few clips in. Doesn't fit very well.
So basically what we found is that the grill is actually the wrong shape. It's, yeah, you're missing the holes by quite some space.
There's no way they're ever going to mate up, it's just not the right shape.
I mean, it's secure. Once the bumper's down, you won't see that there's clips missing. And it looks okay when the bumper will be down. But I think there's lessons to be learned. Don't spend 350 quid on eBay parts because they're not worth the money. So after that disaster of the grill being terrible fitment, the wing being terrible fitment, we have got one added bonus, which is here to cheer us up. And we got some mad Climair, courtesy of Euro Car Parts, wind deflectors. So I'm hoping they've sent the right ones, because I know Euro Car Parts can normally be quite bad. But like when I once ordered a wheel bearing and they sent a prop shaft. But anyway, let's fit these, and hopefully these will be a success.
So is there no more bits?
No.
That's it?
Yeah.
This is it?
Yeah.
You're gonna lose this on the M25, mate. Anyway. So following the instructions, window down, put your bum in, that bit in. Okay. Oh no, maybe I didn't do it right. Oh no. Ollie, mate, you sure got Team Heckos? Oh, I think it's in. No, mate. Am I in?
That's what she said.
We could be in.
Bazinga. They feel secure
Oh no, no, wait. We're caught on
on the trim.
There he is. Boom.
Right, so we just thought we'd point out a few of the imperfections just in case you didn't believe us and that we were just making this up. The paintwork here, there's loads of bubbles in the paintwork, and there's a complete bit there as well that's completely ruined. It may be hard to see on camera, but if you run your finger along here, it's just wavy all the way along here, and the worst bit is on the other side. Here, my finger it's just wavy and bits missing that should be there. The gap here is horrendous. That should be sitting tight, but I can pretty much get my finger in there. And if you look along this line, it juts in and out all the way along. The fitment down both sides, this side's worse, but the fitment, you can get your whole finger in there, is not good. Not good at all. And then if we go to the grille at the front, this side sticks out more at the front than this side. the paint work on it as well. Again, there's like a lip there. You can feel it with your nail. It's not very secure, and the badge isn't secure either. That was on it when we bought it. So yeah, all in all, not good buys, but we buy these things so you don't have to. So unfortunately, this video didn't go to plan. Wing fit, grill fit. The wind deflectors look really good though. I'm happy with them. We did contemplate not putting this video out, but you know, life on YouTube's always glamorous, and I think it's good to show the bits that don't go so well. So yeah, I mean, don't buy cheap parts off eBay, but make sure you like and subscribe.
Do it.